Only 2 weekends are left to work on taxes. Here are some tips to make the most of that time. Is Lisa Greene-Lewis, a CPA and tax expert for TurboTax. Good to have you with us. And what advice do you have for people who might not have started working on their taxes quite yet?
First, don't panic. And second, go online and e-file with direct deposit. That's the fastest way to get your tax refund. The IRS states that they will issue 9 out of 10 tax refunds within 21 days or less.
What are some tips to avoid an IRS delay, the backlogs, or refund adjustments?
The first thing I would do is gather all your documents in one place. Your W-2s and 1099s that report income, you want to have those together so you don't leave anything out. And then your receipts or forms that have valuable deductions on them, I would have those all in one place. And then especially this year with millions of people receiving the advanced child tax credit payment last year, you want to have a new letter, IRS 6419, in front of you, because you need to report the correct amount of advanced child tax credit payments that you received. And then the same with the third stimulus. The IRS issued a new letter, 6475, that reports the amount of stimulus that you received. You want to have that in front of you as well.
Many people are investing in cryptocurrency now. What should new crypto investors do as they are filing taxes?
Yes. The first thing I tell people, because there's so many that are new to crypto, you don't have a taxable event and you don't have to pay taxes unless you sell your crypto or trade it. That's when you have a taxable event. A lot of people new to crypto, they ask, well, I just purchased it. I didn't sell it. Do I have to report it on my taxes? And the answer is no, only if you sell or trade it.
What if somebody feels like they really need to get an extension? They're just not going to make the deadline.
So if you want to get an extension, you can, but if you have everything together, I would say just go ahead and file. Last tax season, 75% of taxpayers received a tax refund, and the average refund was over $2,700. So that could be you. But if you just have to file an extension, you could file with Form 4868, but remember that is an extension to file. It's not an extension to pay.
What can people do if they need to get some help on their taxes?
If you need help, whether you have a simple tax situation or whether you're self-employed or an investor, you can use TurboTax. And with TurboTax, you can do your taxes yourself. You can get help along the way from a TurboTax Live tax expert, or you can fully hand your taxes off to them.
Does that cost a lot of money?
Yes, getting help from a tax expert, it will cost you, but yeah, you have a choice whether you just want to ask them questions or don't want to worry about it and just fully hand everything off to them.
Thank you for all your tax tips today, Lisa.
Okay, thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.